Hey guys, Steve Welch here, Beaman Toyota in downtown Nashville. Just made a really in-depth video on this Nightshade Sequoia. So wanted to make a little bit shorter of a video just in case that you guys are running up on this. Maybe you rented one, maybe you're just trying to get to the beach and you're not quite sure how this works. I'm going to show you how to fold the power fold seats down, whether you're folding them from the back or folding them from the front. I'm going to show you how to go ahead and fold those down. So first off, I'll show you in the back here. You're going to see that you have the captain's chairs. Very easy to get these down. Just lift this here. Once you do that, you can move these out of the way. Very easy to get into the back seat. It is not difficult. Now you can fold this flat as well. If you had pulled this handle instead, you could have folded this flat. So this way it gets it pushed all the way to the front seat, so that way you have ample room to get into the back. All right, so what you're going to see here is to fold this down or fold this up, you're going to hit this button. Now if you stop, you're going to hear that beep. So it does not want to be anywhere in between. It wants to be either all the way up or all the way down. So as you fold this, you're going to see this come all the way down flat, and then it'll be done. It will fold flat for you and very easy. So now you're coming back up. Like I said, if you stop, you're going to get this icon, of course. So now when you come all the way up, it's going to stop at the top here, and you're going to see it stop at this position. Well, maybe that's not the position you want. If you hit this button right here, you're going to be able to recline that back seat. All right, so you can recline it, come back up, right? So now you might ask, and this is the power up door, but I had it open here because I had not had this quite in the right spot, but that's okay. So I'm going to move this off to the side here so you can kind of take a peek here. You can see there's a little bit of storage down here as well, by the way. Didn't put that in the other video, but hopefully you're watching this one too. So you're going to see back here. So now you can't recline it back here, but you can definitely close it or open it. Right there, the icon is pretty much what the icon is. So very easy to see that you can recline this, or close this from the back here. Very, very nice. So that is how you work your seats on your Sequoia. Definitely Steve Welch, Beaman Toyota. Like, subscribe. Appreciate every one of you guys. Hopefully that helped you in case you need a quick video on how to fold down your rear seats on your Sequoia. This is a 2021 model, so definitely like, subscribe. Appreciate every one of you guys. Hope you have a good day.